In this episode we learn that Kathy is charged with possession of a fake ID in Washtenaw County. Kathy hires attorney Jonathan Paul to help her with her case. This video is the dramatization of one possible outcome for a court case. Each case is unique and each client is different. Contact me to discuss your particular circumstances. When charged with possession of a fake ID, the judge, prosecutor, and the community view you as a criminal, because it is a crime of theft, fraud and dishonesty. Everything is going to be okay. I have developed a proactive plan, which will give you the tools to take control of your case from day one, and change the perception of who you are. I would like to create a custom plan for your fake ID case, and set some aggressive goals. I am very selective in the clients that I agree to represent. I brought you to my office so we can go over the facts of your fake ID case, set goals, and put a game plan in place for you to follow as we prepare to go to court. Here is the outline of my proactive plan for your case. I customize a plan for each client based upon the particular judge, prosecutor, type of charge and the client's background. The 3 goals for your case are the following: to keep this off of your record with a dismissal, avoid going to jail, and most importantly to go forward in a positive direction. If you're willing to follow my lead, and work hard on my program, you will put yourself in a position to create a number of options, which you will decide how you want to proceed.
That sounds great. I look forward to beginning immediately and showing the judge, prosecutor and my community that I am not a bad person, or a criminal who needs a record.
Okay, it's time to get to work. I will obtain all the police reports and evidence, and begin speaking with the prosecutor and court about the case. Now that Kathy is on my proactive program, we will have the opportunity to change the perception of her fake ID case, because right now she is not getting the benefit of the doubt. Right now, the judge, prosecutor, and the community are judging my client on this isolated moment in time, and that is not fair. A fake ID case does not need to ruin her life. Based on my experience as a prosecutor in New York City and here in Michigan, here is some insight into how the judge, prosecutor and community may view this case.
We have Kathy's case today, and she's charged with having a fake ID. I'm worried about her. Having a charge of fraud, theft and dishonesty makes me question if I can trust her.
I know she is a first offender, but I think she needs to learn her lesson. As the prosecutor, I charged her with possession of a fake ID, because the facts support the charge.
I don't know anything about her. Even if she comes to court and tells me everything about herself, she could be untruthful. I may need to consider sentencing her to jail.
I don't want troublemakers in my community. I pay my taxes to keep criminals off the streets. This is a crime of theft, fraud and dishonesty. Give her a record and send her to jail.
I'm in a tough position. She committed a crime and has to pay the consequences. I really don't think I can agree to dismiss this case. What would the community think?
I tend to agree, but she hired attorney Jonathan Paul, and he puts all of his clients on a proactive program. Maybe she is already on the right path to show this was isolated.
Hold on, before you all make quick judgments against my client, let me tell you more about her, and what she has done since this incident. She has been proactive from day one. Let's head into court, so I can tell you everything that my client has done leading up to today. I think you will be very impressed with how she reacted to these charges.
Hello Mr. Paul, and hello to your client. We're here today to handle your client's fake ID case. This case could give your client a criminal record, jail and 2 years probation.
Hello Your Honor, I am here today as the prosecutor on this case. The prosecution is concerned about fraudulent documents in this county, and so are the residents in court today.
Good morning Your Honor, Attorney Jonathan Paul on behalf of my client. Thank you for the opportunity to tell you more about my client's journey and her achievements. Over the last few weeks, my client has been proactive to show Your Honor, the prosecutor and the community that she is a positive person in this community and not a criminal. My client has done 20 hours of volunteer work with a non-profit. She has been screened and assessed with no alcohol issue found, and she has completed an alcohol education course. My client has passed every drug and alcohol test, and has demonstrated that she is ready to make better decisions about avoiding alcohol. She is a student with a bright future.
Judge, I am very impressed. I would be willing to agree to give the defendant an opportunity to have this dismissed, and keep it off the defendant's record.
If that is what everyone wants, I will also agree to allow the defendant to have this dismissed. The defendant has really impressed me and shown that this was an isolated case.
Congrats. You really earned yourself this great result. I am proud of your progress over the past few weeks. You earned back the trust of the judge, prosecutor and the community.
I can't thank you enough for your help. I truly felt in control of my case. Every day that went by, I felt like I was helping my case. I am grateful for the second chance.
If you'd like to discuss your case, give me a call at 248-924-9458 or visit my website at www.michiganlawgrad.com. I look forward to learning more about your case.